Good morning, all of you. So I said problem number 12 is the most important problem, and I am revising that again because A and B, two masses are given. We have to show that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse is the most important model. So follow carefully. Given A equal to 3, 7, 2, 5, B is equal to 6, 8, 7, 9. So what is required here is we want AB. So you know multiplication. First find AB. AB is equal to 3, 7, 2, 5 into 6, 8, 7, 9 is nothing but 3 6 are 18 plus 49. 3 8s are 24 plus 63. Next, 2 6 are 12 plus 35, 16 plus 45 is nothing but this is 67, then 87, this is 47, and this is 61. This is AB. We want AB whole inverse. Means AB whole inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC, means 67 into 61 minus 87 into 47 into D minus B minus C A, means 61 minus 87 minus 47, 67. Whenever the matrix is A, B, C, D, inverse is 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus C A. You have to interchange these two and you have to change the sign of these two. Now what you are getting? This is equal to 1 by 67 into 61.
4087. 87.
Minus 4089.
87, 47.
61 minus 87 minus 47, 67. This is not correct. Minus 1 by 2 into 61 minus 87 minus 47, 67. This is AB whole inverse. Now we have to show that this is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Means we have to find out B inverse, then A inverse, and then the product of B inverse into A inverse. Now, A inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC 5 minus 7 minus 2 3. B inverse equal to 1 by 54 minus 56 9 minus 8 minus 7 6. Is nothing but 15 minus 14 is 1. So, you will be getting 5 minus 7 minus 2 3. Then B inverse is equal to 54 minus 56 is minus 1 by 2 into 9 minus 8 minus 7 6. Now we need B inverse into A inverse is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 9 minus 8 minus 7 6 into 5 minus 7 minus 2 3. So keep minus 1 by 2 as it is. Now take the product. 9 5s are 45 plus 16. Next, minus 63 minus 24. This row into this column, again this row into second column. Multiplication is very, very important. Then minus 35 minus 12 49 plus 18 is equal to, what you are getting? Minus 1 by 2 into 61. This is minus 87. This is minus 47. And this is 67. Now let's see. This is AB whole inverse. This is B inverse into A inverse. Are they equal or not? So this is equal to AB whole inverse. Very, very, very important model for the board exam purpose. Next time we are going for problem number 14. For the matrix A, three, two, one, one. Find the numbers A and B such that A square plus AA plus BI is equal to O. So what we require is, we require A square A square is equal to 3211 into 3211. I've been telling A square is nothing but squaring the elements of A. You have to write that as A into A. So this is equal to, that I am writing 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 1, 3. This first row into first column, add the products. 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. 1 into 3 is 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 1, 3. This is A square. Now given A square plus AA plus BI is equal to O, means null matrix. So take A square 11 8 4 3 plus AA into 3 2 1 1 plus BI, you have to take 1 0 0 1 is equal to O, because A is in 2 by 2 form, you have to take I also in 2 by 2 form. So this is 11 8 4 3 plus 3A 2A A plus B 0 0 B is equal to O. So in addition, what we do? We take the sum of the corresponding elements. Means you are getting 11 plus 3A plus B. 11 plus 3A plus B. 8 plus 2A plus 0. 4 plus A plus 0. 3 plus A plus B. Is equal to null matrix, means 0 0 0 0. Whenever two matrices are equal, we know that the corresponding elements are equal. So if you take this and this, you will be getting 4 plus A equal to 0 implies A is equal to minus 4. And then 3 plus A plus B is equal to 0. 3 minus 4 plus B equal to 0. Minus 1 plus B is equal to 0. Therefore, B is equal to 1. Now if you want to know whether it is correct or not, you can substitute the values of A and B here. 11 minus 12 plus 1 is equal to 0 you are getting. No need for you to verify. Therefore, A is equal to minus 4 and B is equal to 1. You are asked to find the values of A and B. So next I am moving to problem number number 16, the last problem in the exercise. The remaining are bits. Problem number 16, you must be very, very careful. It's a lengthy one. Show that a cube given a is equal to 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. So we want a cube. To find a cube we have to find a square first. A square is equal to 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 into 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. This row into this column directly I am answering. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. You must be thorough with multiplication. I cannot keep on writing product of first two elements then second elements like that. So multiplication of the first column is over 2 2s are 4 plus 1 plus. Now second column minus 2 minus 2 minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So you are getting minus 5. Then third column 2 plus 1 plus 2 5. Now the second column, second row minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5 1 plus 4 plus 1 5 6 1 minus 2
Second column.
1 4 6 and minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. Then with third row 2 plus 1 plus 2 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 1 plus 1 plus 4 6. This is a square matrix. Now we need a cube. A cube is equal to a square into a. Now this is nothing but 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6 into 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 is nothing but 12 plus 5 plus 5 means 22. First row into first column 12 plus 5 plus 5. Next, second column minus 6 minus 10, minus 5, minus 6, minus 10, minus 5. How much? Minus 21. Next, 6 plus 5 plus 10. 6 plus 5 plus 10, 21. The second row, minus 10, minus 6, minus 5. Minus 21, minus 10, 5, 12, 5, 22. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 10, minus 21. Third row, 10, 5, 6. Minus 5, minus 10, minus 6. And this will be 22. 5 plus 5 plus 12. So this is A cube. Now what is required? A cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i equal to O we have to show. Substitute the masses. 22 minus 21, 21 minus 21, 22 minus 21, 21 minus 21, 22 minus 6 into A square means 6 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 4i 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is nothing but 22 minus 21, 21 minus 21, 22 minus 21, 21 minus 21, 22 minus 36 minus 30, 30 30 minus 36 36 minus 30, 30. This is minus 30. 36 minus 30. 30 minus 30 plus 36 minus 400 040 004. Now if you see 22 minus 9a is there. This will not be sufficient. Why you did not see? 22 minus 21, 21 minus 21, 22 minus 21. 21 minus 21, 22. Directly I am writing. Minus 6a square means 6 into this. You are getting 36 minus 30, 30. Minus 30, 36 minus 30. 30 minus 30 plus 36. 9a. 9a means 9 into this. You will be getting 18 minus 9, 9. Minus 9, 18 minus 9. 9 minus 9, 18. Plus 4a. Minus 4a. Means 4, 0, 0. 0, 4, 0. 0, 0, 4. Now if you see 22 minus 36 is 14. 14 minus 14 plus 18 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Minus 21 plus 30 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So you will be getting 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is nothing but O. ఇంకొక బిట్ ఉన్నది లెంగ్త్ టైం ఎంత ఉంది
27 minutes అయింది 27 minutes అయింది
కట్ చేసేసి ఇంకో